morning on preparations for severe weather that could happen this weekend. All eyes on the New England coastline as Hurricane Lee is expected to hit parts of New England early Saturday morning. All week, ABC6 has been taking a look at how Rhode Island is preparing for the storm. And Good Morning Providence reporter Kaitlin is live at CCRI in Warwick, where FEMA has set up a temporary staging area ahead of the storm. Kaitlin, what are they doing to prepare?
Thanks, Carolyn. With Hurricane Lee just around the corner, New Englanders on the coast are preparing for potentially torrential rain, heavy winds, and FEMA workers here working overtime yesterday on Thursday to get supplies ready for what's expected this weekend. Much of Hurricane Lee's potential impact is still up in the air ahead of this weekend. Local officials preparing for Hurricane Lee all week after days of storms, flooding, and even tornadoes that we saw Wednesday. The main advice staying the same: stay inside unless you're told otherwise. And if an evacuation order is given, know where you're supposed to go. The main impacts of Lee are expected to start Friday night and into Saturday morning, and FEMA is already gearing up for the storm.
Liters of water, food as needed, cots for sheltering support if needed. And again, these are all things that we want to pre-position. Hopefully we won't have to use them, right? Hopefully everything's going to be relatively low key, low impacts, but we want to make sure that we have that stuff in a good space to where if we need it to be deployed, we can get it to where it needs to go.
FEMA has already reached out to several New England governors to let them know that they are there to help in case of emergency, and they'll be on standby all weekend. For now, live in Warwick, Kaitlin, ABC6 News.